Hey, hi, hello there. Welcome to another Cook with Quee video. And I don't know how fair this is to call it a Cook with Quee because we're literally just gonna put some stuff together. We are going to be making a mayo-free, high-protein chicken salad. And if you're scared, don't be, I promise. We have a couple secret ingredients that's going to give you a very similar texture to a good old classic chicken salad. Recipe is so very simple. We have our ingredients assembled here and all we're going to do is put them in the bowl and mix away. So let's get a close-up of that. And that's all, folks. This is actually literally my lunch for work today. So we're not gonna taste test, but I will say I've had people who could care less that I made it mayo free or who don't eat everybody's chicken salad. And it is a winner across the board. It never fails. Most times I will have it with some like wheat thins or crackers. And then sometimes I like to put it on a sandwich or make an actual like bed of greens and put the chicken salad on top. It's the one. It's for sure the one. And also, tip trick, you can use that base for egg salad and tuna salad if you like. My favorite way to make it though is it's probably the chicken salad. I'm most consistent with making that, but I also love a mix of ingredients with egg as well. So thank you so much for tuning in to this very simple Cook with Quee that we didn't really cook but put together. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember that you can live healthily and eat happily. Have the best rest of your day.